Studying with IT Online Learning prepared me to work in an agile and waterfall way, and thanks to them I am much better equipped and prepared to face any challenge that comes to my way. Hi, I'm Kamila. I work and live in London. I am currently working as a project manager. I work fully remotely. I work at several projects at the time, and each project has their own assigned team of people. So first thing that I do in the morning is I send out briefs to all the members of the team to make sure that they know what they're doing that day. During the day, I have several meetings with clients and my team members. We meet up just to make sure everybody is aware of the progress of the project. After my meetings, I will make sure that all the notes are sent out to the client and the team. I would usually play with my kitty at lunch if he is up for it, although right now it doesn't seem so. Usually I would cook some nice meals at lunchtime. Today is a risotto. At lunch I also like to just scroll through Netflix and just find some few moments and just to catch up on some TV series or some films, start a film, or simply just choose one to watch later after I finish work. After lunch, it is time to go back to work. I need to make sure that I do all my admin tasks, so just to make sure that everything is updated. And if I don't have any meetings in the afternoon, I would just chat with my team, see if they have any queries, just to make sure that they are doing fine and that all the tasks are going to be performed on time for the client to review. Now it's nearly 5:30 p.m. It's time to stop working soon, but before that happens, I'm just going to make sure that I am ready for tomorrow and that I have closed all the activities for today. Studying with IT Online Learning prepared me to work in an agile and waterfall way. It was a great journey, and thanks to them, I am much better equipped and prepared to face any challenge that comes to my way.